2,500, so that's $50.
Oh, wow.
Now, accept some help for the Christmas basket for the neighborhood.
New door. There you go.
Hello everyone, good morning. So I am in a hurry right now because we are going to the city today. Scarlett and I are gonna go to the city because I do have a facial appointment actually in about half an hour, so we need to drive to the city. This is the very first time that I'm reversing or using the, oh my gosh, oh, that's pretty smooth. Let's see. Oh my gosh, let's see if I will be able to, like, good luck to me. Let's do this, guys. First time to drive in the driveway. Hopefully, it's not going to fudge. I could feel it. Oh my god. Let's back up. Let's go reverse a bit. Whee! Okay. Whee! Bahala lang basta walay bayad. We have to go fast so we will be able to make it. We're here. Alright guys, we made it here in the city. I'm just dropping Scarlett off because I have a facial appointment. Actually, 11. Come on, faster. I need to go now. So I'm finally done with my facial. Time check, it's 2:31 in the afternoon. So that took about 2.5 hours because I also did rev light. So if you guys would like to ask how much was the facial, I know some of you ladies out there will ask. It's 2,500, so that's $50. And that is honey almond facial with detox. There you go. Anyway, let's go and get Scarlett. Pilate. So that was 35 pesos. Parking for 2 hours.
Rice. Yeah. You have a green.
Yummy?
Here, guys.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yummy. Yay.
Yeah.
There's a pizza. Wow. Thank you. Guys, let's eat. This is my first meal of the day. Pizza. My favorite pizza in Cebu is Delish Deli in Juanito Tower. Hi. Okay, thank you. Eat. Bon appetit.
Love.
Did you say bon appetit to the guys?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
Wow.
Wow. Yes.
Oh, wow.
You like it?
The pizza's like a noodle.
It's like noodles? What are you talking about?
You bless. Look how cute ni Moy.
Is this your first time you see her, right? In person?
Hi, what happened to your voice?
Oh, I'm sick. We are finally home. I'm so tired driving. Wow. Christmas rush is in Cebu. Definitely. I only need to do facial today and it took me the entire day to do that. How crazy. It's already 7? What time is it now? 7 p.m. And since it's raining, we had to go reroute in the other road so that the car's not gonna hit the bottom. And by the way, I drove in the driveway and something happened. Something bad happened. I'm gonna show it to you guys tomorrow, okay? Because right now it's dark. You cannot see it anymore. Alright, I'm eating Delish Deli. This is really good, especially when it's already cold. Let's eat, guys. Mmm. So good. Pizza pa! Pizza. Doesn't like pizza. Hello everyone, good morning. This is let me clear my throat. That was not a nice start. Anyway, we are starting the vlog by putting the shelf that I actually got the other day. So here it is. It's called a Mission Floating Shelf. I got this from Mandawi Foam. And if you guys want to ask how much it cost me, it's 350 pesos each. So this is how it looks. Ta-da! So we have 1, 2. My brother-in-law just attached this a few minutes ago. So right now, I am going to put some decor over there. This is, by the way, my little office here in my bedroom. This is where I edit video sometimes, but most of the time, I'm in my bed. Okay, so you guys remember this. Oops, we got 100,000 subscribers. It's presented to meljeansolon. We passed it. The next one will be the gold one. Manifesting. Alright, so we are going to put this right here. Ta-da! What do you guys think? Is that nice? It fits perfectly. And then we are going to put another award that we got recently. Best Cebu YouTube Vlogger of 2022. We put this at the top. Oh, it doesn't fit. I think it's fine. So we have 1, 2 right here. And then, what else are we going to put there? This one. We're going to put this maybe right there. Or like that. Ta-da! Is that nice? I think it looks great. Isn't it? Look, I'm going to remove those plastic. But that's our mini office. There you go. And let me just get something that will add up to that. We're gonna put a little bit of this. We're gonna add this decor so that it will have a bit of green. We'll put it right there. Ta-da! There you go. Look at that, it's so cute, isn't it? Wow, good girl. At least Scarlett is able to like go through the footpath. Alright, you're gonna have to U-turn. U-turn back. Okay, can you do it? Oops! Careful, careful. Come on. One more, you have to push it. Push. Alright. Yeah, that's enough. Good job. Good. Yay. Wow, so good.
Yes, it's because so hot.
It's so hot? Whoa. Oh no. Yeah. Whoa. Good job. Done. See? So, do you want to race with Tita?
Yeah.
With a bike? But I don't have money.
You have money.
I don't have money.
You have money.
I don't.
You have
Can you
money.
buy me?
No, I don't have money.
You don't have money? What's your gift for Tita this Christmas?
And okay, let's go in the mall. I'm buying you bike
You're gonna buy me a bike? Where's your money?
in my bag.
You see, I told you, you have money. So you're gonna buy Tita a bike? How much money do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7.
You have 7 pesos? Is it enough to buy a bike? Oh no! Bye! Alright guys, so today Papa and I are gonna start doing a general cleaning here in the house because tomorrow we're finally gonna do the house tour. So I'm picking up Vingle first thing in the morning because she is going to be my videographer. I just put the rugs in the washing machine. I am washing them all so that it will be clean tomorrow. And also, right here, I'm gonna wash these again. Can you guys remember, like, I've washed these the other day and now it's really dirty because someone was working here like in the toilet area, and yeah, there's some dust that was going here. Just finished cleaning in the bathroom and also washing all the rugs and carpets. So now this is the most requested one that is to be done here in the house, which is actually revarnishing the door. So we're gonna do that today. Papa just finished sanding it, so that's how it looks, and now I'm gonna varnish it. So this is gonna be the before. Ta-da! I just put here a trash bag in case it drips. And we have here the varnish. We just transferred it to this one. It is walnut. There you go. Right, let's go. Let's do it, guys. Come on. Look at me. I look like a mess. Alright, so we just finished the first coating. This is how it looks. What do you guys think? Did I do right? I think it's okay. I mean, this is how it looks in the back. I tried my best to do it right. One bottle of varnish is finished, as you guys can see. So that is how it looks. And over here, by the way, in the outside, Papa is doing remember my bamboo sofa? So we are revarnishing it as well. There you go. So it would look good. Like, can you spot the difference of how pale that one is and then compared to this one? It really does make a lot of difference. Now we're gonna go to the back door and I'm gonna work on the back door as well. Actually, I am loving this. Like, I could varnish a lot of doors. It's really fun. I feel like I'm so creative. Hi. Alright, can you guys see the mess that we have to work on after? Yeah, there's still a lot to do. So yeah, come on, let's do the back door. Time check right now, it's 1 p.m. I really thought it's already 4, but it's only 1. We've accomplished quite a lot. So I'll show you how does it look. Ta-da! Wait, this is my new door, everyone. Is it nice? There you go. That's the new door. There you go. How is it? I mean, I think I did okay. That's the front door, and then here you guys will be able to see we have the sofa set, the bamboo ones. I actually did second coating for them so that they will look good. And we are going to the balcony. The rain is coming, guys. This is how the back door looks like. I think I did better in the back door because I got the gist of it already. But that's the back door. Ta-da! What do you guys think? I think it looks better. I know, right? But it is what it is. We've finished it already. And so I'm gonna have to edit this video, guys, because this will go live tonight. So we just finished cleaning here in the house, mopping the floor. The balcony is doing good. The doors are fine as well. So tomorrow I'm gonna do final touches before we do the tour. Anyway guys, I received a few messages and questions about if I am willing to, you know, accept some help for the Christmas basket for the neighborhood. Yes, of course, why not? The more the merrier, right? So yeah, we will be able to add more in our basket. If you guys are interested, I'll put my PayPal right here. Thank you so much in advance if you want to share your blessings for the neighborhood here in the countryside. Why not? Merry Christmas in advance. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog here guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!